In project schedule terms, the baseline is created when a schedule after refinement is agreed to. This approved schedule becomes the baseline. Now, as the project progresses, some work will be done faster than planned, some will take longer than planned, and some will be done exactly as per plan. Consequently, the project schedule will keep changing throughout the project. But the baseline, once created, is frozen, approved, will not change until and unless a change request has been approved to modify the baseline. Now, who approves the baseline? The schedule management plan identifies who will approve the schedule baseline and any modifications and what will be the approval process for that. In most cases, it is the sponsor, the project management office, or the client project manager who approves the baseline. Changes to the baselines may be approved by a change control board, and some organizations may require further confirmation of the change by the sponsor. The practice differs in various organizations. Now, is it possible to have more than one baseline? Yes, of course. Multiple baselines can be created to track against various objectives. Typically, one baseline is used for routine tracking and reporting purposes, and the rest could be for others. The schedule baseline, along with the scope and cost baseline, is considered a component of the overall project management plan. The project schedule can be presented in the form of a bar chart or Gantt chart. In this case, the baseline may be shown on the chart as the second line for each activity in a different color. On a milestone chart, baseline information can also be presented along with the current forecasted completion date or the actual completion date of a milestone.